G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. Hey, we're heading up the creek, just not too far away from home here. Just going to test some gear out. Got a little boat there we want to test out and the motor, and see how the buggy goes with the boat on it and all that sort of stuff. Alrighty, sit back and enjoy and check it out. We've got a few storms heading our way as well, so see what happens there, see if we get flogged and blown away. Righto, enjoy. See you. Beautiful and green out here. Love this time of the year. As my regular viewers would know, we've had a fair bit of rain out this way. So the track on the way in is probably still going to be a fair bit wet, but nothing to worry about. I know there's a bit of country out here, so not going to disappear this time. We dropped all our pressures right down. We had everything fairly low because I was quite heavy. So we got through the first bit, and then it come up to some really soft stuff. We had to drop the pressures down a little bit more. But after that, we were all good. We just sailed up the beach. Well, we got here. Sand was a bit soft. During that big flood we had, that 500 and whatever record breaking rain, somehow the water got into the Howling Moon tent and everything started to go mouldy. So mattress was wet. Lucky we pulled it out now, not in bloody month's time or something. All this quilting, all these pillows, the mattress protector, everything's going to the tip. All brand new, never even been slept in. Oh well, pay the price, don't we?
Only once in 120 years.
It only happens once in 120 years. We've got a little while for the next one. And check out that storm, I don't know if you can see it. Lightning, thunder. Probably don't know if it's going to hit us or not. We've got westerly winds blowing at 25 to maybe 30 every now and then. So that's really thundering in over there. That's wet season camping, isn't it? Good stuff. So anyway, we're set up in this little lagoon. This is our closest creek to Broome, and pretty much got the place to sort ourselves. Nice little lagoon. It's just about high tide now. So this is the new boat we want to test out. So this is the one that we're going to drive into all the billabongs and fish out of it. Well, we've got this little tiny motor here. Look at the size of it. Little 2 horsepower. 3 horsepower, is it? Oh, there you go. And put a bracket on the back here, and this folds down. I'll show you when I'm putting it out. The winch lowers the boat down and lifts it back up. So nice and light. Be able to carry that. No, it's a 2 horsepower. Yeah. So as soon as you put it in gear, as soon as you start it, it's in gear. So that's something different. Weird. Anyway, we'll show you how we get this boat off there. It's pretty cool.
And there she is.
That's it. And yes, it does fit. We tested the spare tyre when the tyre's on there, but it still does it with a full tyre on here. That's it. Well, so much for the little Yummy. It went for about, I don't know, 5 seconds. Then it just stopped. Now it won't start. So, yeah. Anyway, it could have been worse. We're only here on a test run. Lucky we tested it before we... Looks pretty specky. Nice and close to home. About half an hour I think we were there. Oh, a bit longer because I had to let the tyres down. Pity there's a big bloody storm right behind us. All good. It's wet season after all. Going for a cruise along the beach, pick up a bit of rubbish. Another 10 cents. So the beach is fairly clean. It's pretty good actually. But there's still a little bit of rubbish to be picked up. And each time we come out, we pick a bit up. If everybody did that, it'd be right. There you go. The only car tracks on the beach. Pretty good. Check out that storm that's behind us. We might get that tonight. Woo!
Your turn.
Rubbish. Hey, how good would it be to go skirping along here? Sick. Over there and it looks all nice. beach is actually pretty good. Not too much rubbish around at all. A lot of it's all coming from Asia. It's all got Asian names on it. All these water bottles. They've floated around a bit. You can't buy them here. So we've got a little bit of a haul, and we've probably come, I don't know, probably 5k up the beach. So it's pretty good.
Valentine's finest.
Valentine's?
Valentine's.
Mmm. Mmm. In with the rest of the junk. Oh, that's pretty old. Still going to get 10 cents for that?
No,
probably not.
But
just out there, when the tide drops right down, there's a really cool bit of reef. Rock pools and all that sort of stuff. So we've just been having a bit of a swim in these little lagoons. So far, haven't been stung by any irrigantes. That's always a good thing. Having the fresh water is a bloody go. So there's a dirty great big tank underneath there, and we ain't going to run out for a few days. How's that for a storm about to hit? We went and put double pegs on everything. Best we can do anyway, because normally just before that hits, you get hit with about 80, 90k an hour bloody winds. So double peg, the best you can do. That's not good enough. You get blown away, don't you? What's this mad dog doing?
it's getting hammered by sandflies.
You getting sandflies out?
Yeah, I just go and push them. But you can see them on
the first time we've had this thing out. Don't know how it's going to go. Every now and then you just get this real cool breeze. It feels like air conditioning. Well, that's all I got for you today, guys. We didn't end up getting much rain. We got a few drips during the night, but nothing to worry about. Got up the next morning and had some brekkie and headed off home. It was bloody hot, I'll tell you that. Not fit for man or beast. Well, if you like that, please give us a thumbs up. subscribe and ring the bell. You'll be notified of the next mission. Don't be scared to subscribe. You just got to sign your name in so YouTube know who you are. It's not going to cost you anything, but that's how it all works for us. So we really appreciate it. And for everyone that has done, big thumbs up for you guys. And thanks very much for watching. Ciao. Nearly home.